If you're searching for one of the most powerful gaming laptops in 2025, then this video is for you. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the ASUS ROG Strix SCAR 18 2025, a true desktop-class gaming laptop designed for hardcore gamers, streamers, creators, and power users who refuse to compromise. Before we begin, you'll find the Amazon affiliate link in the description below. If you want the best price, official warranty, and fast shipping, make sure to check it out. Let's start with what really matters: performance. The ROG Strix SCAR 18 2025 is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX, one of the fastest mobile processors ever made. With its high core count, advanced AI acceleration, and extreme boost clocks, this CPU is built to handle AAA gaming at ultra settings, heavy multitasking, 4K video editing, 3D rendering, game streaming, and content creation. Paired with this beast is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 laptop GPU, based on the latest RTX architecture. This means you get next-generation ray tracing, DLSS4 with AI frame generation, insanely high FPS in modern games, professional-level performance for creators. Whether you're playing Cyberpunk 2027, Starfield, Call of Duty, Fortnite, or GTA V in the future, this laptop is more than ready. Now let's talk about the display, because it's absolutely stunning. The SCAR 18 features an 18-inch ROG Nebula HDR display with 2.5K resolution, 2560 by 1600, 16 by 10 aspect ratio, 240 Hz refresh rate, and 3 millisecond response time. This means ultra-smooth gameplay, crystal clear motion, zero screen tearing, incredible immersion. Thanks to HDR support and high brightness, colors look vibrant, blacks are deep, and highlights truly pop. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or watching movies, this screen is simply elite. The ASUS ROG Strix SCAR 18 2025 comes with 32 GB of DDR5 5600 RAM, massive 2 TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. This setup ensures lightning-fast boot times, instant game loading, smooth multitasking, plenty of storage for large game libraries and projects. You can run multiple apps, heavy games, browsers, and creative software without any slowdown. All this power needs serious cooling, and ASUS delivers. The SCAR 18 uses ROG intelligent cooling, including liquid metal thermal compound, advanced vapor chamber, high-efficiency fans, and optimized airflow design. This keeps temperatures under control even during long gaming sessions, while maintaining stable performance and lower noise levels compared to traditional gaming laptops. Visually, the SCAR 18 screams premium gaming. You get per-key RGB keyboard, customizable Aura Sync lighting, bold ROG design language, durable, high-quality chassis. The keyboard feels fantastic for both gaming and typing, with excellent key travel and responsiveness. Connectivity is another strong point. With Wi-Fi 7, you get faster speeds, lower latency, and more stable online gaming and streaming. And thanks to Windows 11 Pro, this laptop is perfect not only for gamers, but also for professionals, developers, and creators who need advanced features and security. The ASUS ROG Strix SCAR 18 2025 is perfect if you are a hardcore gamer, a streamer or YouTuber, a video editor or 3D artist, a power user who wants desktop-level performance in a laptop. If you want maximum power, a massive high-refresh display, and future-proof hardware, this laptop is absolutely worth it. The ASUS ROG Strix SCAR 18 2025 is not just a gaming laptop, it's a portable powerhouse that can replace a high-end desktop. With RTX 5080 graphics, Intel Core Ultra 9 CPU, stunning 240Hz Nebula HDR display, massive RAM and storage, advanced cooling, and premium design, this is easily one of the best gaming laptops money can buy in 2025. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment below to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.